So, you're going camping with the kids, you've asked Google to navigate the way, and you've packed all your gear from your Google list. Now it's time to kick off the fun with a long, hot car ride. You could put on some music for a big old family sing-along, or why not engage in some fun with your new Google Assistant? Hey Google, entertain me.
I've been waiting for you to say that. We can play a game. I can give you an interesting fact. Or you can go for some random fun.
Oh, surprise me with some random fun.
It says sing a song. I'm singing you a song because songs are great and songs make you happy. This is a song for you.
There's plenty of options, and of course, there's always the good old family sing-along. Hey Google, play the song that never ends.
Sure, playing This Is the Song That Never Ends on Spotify.
Happy trails.
This is the song that never ends. It just goes round and round, my friend.
This sounds amazing.